vehicles, especially on highways, which of course has endangered lives of road users on those particular roads. Let us prioritize road safety and help prevent such avoidable crashes. Remember that compliance is not optional, but it is legal and a life-saving requirement. On the part of sensitization, the Directorate of Traffic and Road Safety conducted road safety sensitization campaigns targeting border riders and public service vehicle drivers with the aim to promote positive behavioral change among these high-risk categories of road users. The campaigns were conducted in Kampala, which was identified as the most affected area according to the 2024 annual crime report. And these sensitization exercises focused on encouraging adherence to traffic regulations. Also focused on promoting helmet use among the border riders and also seatbelt compliance. We also went ahead to discourage reckless driving behaviors and overloading. These campaigns form part of the Directorate's broader strategy to reduce road crashes and fatalities, particularly among vulnerable road user groups. We thus call upon all border riders and PSV drivers who have been targeted around Kampala to comply and put into practice what we are sensitizing them about. And also, we urge them to become ambassadors of road safety in their communities where they operate from. Remember that road safety is a shared responsibility, and let's all work together to save lives. We also thank you, the media, that you have been with us. For if you have not been with us, probably the messages would not have been amplified. So you have helped us to amplify our messages. We thank you for that, and let's continue doing so, because without you, our messages on road safety cannot go or cannot reach far. But because you